So this is the screwdriver I've designed around the 711L mini ratchet and the two extenders. And in addition to holding those, it holds 8 different hex bits. And you maintain all the utility you would get while adding the ability to use it as an independent screwdriver without the ratchet. Now, of course, you can still use the ratchet like this. And this just becomes a comfier handle. It's not bad. And then you can still do the T handle as well. Let me see. Now, one thing I do wish they would add on here is the ability to feel on the ratchet where that pass-through is, but otherwise I really do like this ratchet and extenders. So you can do this pretty easily. And of course, you can still use it like this as well, which this is actually probably my preferred use of the ratchet. Now, how does everything fit onto here? Well, the ratchet has this shelf down here and this cylinder that it will clip into place on this side, like that. And that holds it securely. And then the extender does have a preferred orientation. You can see this flat spot. It'll make one side easier to put in than the other. So I face that to the right and just slot it in like that. And it's pretty secure in there, but not too hard to get out. Now the bits, they slot in. Now I do want to do a version of this with magnets, but since I want this to be printable by anybody, there is no magnets, it's just the plastic piece. And I'm going to release the print file. Now, notes for when you do print this, pretty much everything on here is going to be intentionally tight, mainly the bits. So, for example, this Phillips is quite tight right now. And the reason for that is these hex bits tend to vary very slightly on how wide they are and how tight they would fit in here. So the intended use of this is to basically loosen them up depending on what bit you have. So what I would do is take the extender, slot it to whatever slot is really tight, and I would basically move it back and forth and try and loosen that up. And you can see that fits in there much better. And so I do it that way so that they're not too loose for any bits. Now WeHa bits, I believe this is a WeHa bit. These tend to be tighter at the start. Yeah, these tend to be tighter, and so you'll have to loosen them with the extension, but that's not too hard to do. This makes a really tool-dense, compact little screwdriver set. And I think there's some potential for other variations of this, perhaps with more hex bits instead of the extra extender. Or one thing I do want to try is making the ratchet work as sort of an inline driver. Now, I don't know how possible that'll be, but I think it could be very useful. So let me know what you think, leave any feedback you have, and hopefully I'll be making something new soon.